Welcome to Learning is Fun. Hello everyone. This is me Deboshmita Sarkar. Today we are going to start with a new topic which is environment. So let's begin. First we will know what is environment. Our environment is everything that surrounds us, from the trees, mountains, roads, buildings, things, and even people. It's a combination of both natural and human made elements. These elements are divided into two types, biotic and abiotic. Biotic elements are all the living organisms, and abiotic elements include all the non living things. Next, we will know about the types of environment. There are two types of environment. Those are natural environment and human environment. First, we will know about natural environment. Everything that is not human made comes under the natural environment. Land, air, water, plants and animals all comprise the natural environment. Let us learn about the different domains of the natural environment. These are the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. In the following slide, we will see more about the domains of the earth. First comes the lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid crust or the hot top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with a thin layer of soil. The lithosphere is an irregular surface with mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, landforms, etc. It is the domain that provides us with forest, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture and housing. It is also a source of mineral. Then comes the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the domain of water. It comprises of the various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, estuaries, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. Then comes the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It is held by the gravitational force of the earth. The atmosphere protects us from harmful UV rays from the sun by blocking them out. It contains a number of gases like oxygen, which is essential for life. Dust and water vapor changes in atmosphere brings changes in weather and climate. Then comes the last domain, which is the biosphere. All life makes up the biosphere. It is the zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. So, we live in the biosphere. Then comes the human environment. Human environment is the man-made environment. It is being modified by human according to their needs. Before technology evolved, human beings would adapt themselves to the natural environment. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature. With them, their needs grew and became more varied. Humans learned new ways to change their environment according to their needs. They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals, and build houses. They invented the wheel, barter system, trade, and commerce. Transportation became faster. Larger scale production was possible through industrial evolution. Communication became easier and speedy across the world. They have formed an artificial ecosystem. Then comes why it is important to preserve our environment. A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and man-made environment or human-made environment. If we use the sources provided by environment wisely, we can establish a healthy Balance. We should use our resources wisely and learn to conserve them. Natural resources like wood, minerals, water, air are precious and essential for survival. If we do not use them wisely, we may run out of them one day. We should think about our future generation also. So with this we came to the last slide of the PPT. So thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye for now. Stay home and stay safe by saving lives. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.